Spray Polyurethane Foam insulation offers several benefits for your home when properly installed by trained professionals. Here are some of the key advantages. SPF is an excellent insulator, creating an airtight seal that helps prevent heat or cold from escaping your home. This can lead to significant energy savings and lower utility bills. SPF can seal gaps, cracks, and holes in your home's envelope, reducing air infiltration. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and improves air quality by preventing dust and allergens from entering your home. SPF acts as a moisture barrier, preventing water vapors from infiltrating your walls. This can help prevent mold growth and structural damage due to moisture. SPF can reduce noise transmission, making your home quieter and more comfortable. SPF can be used in various applications, including attics, walls, crawl spaces, and roofs, making it a versatile insulation option. Over time, the cellular structure of SPF does not weaken or sink, allowing it to deliver high-performance results year after year. Spray foam expands, adding structural rigidity to walls by providing better support and increasing the overall strength of your home. A well-insulated home with SPF can be more attractive to potential buyers, as it signifies energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Spray foam has many benefits that increase the comfort and value of your home, making it the superior insulation choice for your basement remodeling project. Schedule your free estimate today with Basement to Finish, Chicagoland's leader in basement finishing services, and get the most out of your renovation investment.